Mutongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua Niwakanya President Ruto Kuatiania Nake Kukonya President Uthyumuie wa Uhuru Kenyatta thini wa uteti wake Gachagua Easya Mathina ma Ruto ma Utetini wa Wemanthiie ainena ndambukani yake kuya na Uhuru Gachagua nwaweta utongoi wa Kenya kwanza ni wailete ukuamuye wayo vandu vakwilila President Uthyumuie wa Uhuru Kenyatta uneni wa Gachagua uyoka muthenya umwetu na President Ruto kukonya Uhuru kuvothea uleini kana kuanzia utongoi wake. Faith Mwaniki na mavoaso
ainena na ndikima mauvo kuya kauntini ya Nakuru. Gachagua ni wamukanya President William Ruto Aeke kulikya President Uthyumuie wa Uhuru Kenyatta aiweta kana Ruto enda Kenya makwatienge wa ingi ya kweya vandu vakunene uvaluku wake wa miaka ina.
I have seen President William Ruto yesterday in Eldoret attempting to divert the attention of the people of Kenya from that debate. The debate in Kenya today is what is Ruto's performance for 4 years. His lies, his deception, destruction of institutions, bringing the economy to a halt. That is the discussion. And William Ruto is in usual style, trying to divert attention by attacking President Uhuru Kenyatta so that the people of Kenya can abandon that debate and start defending President Uhuru Kenyatta and castigating him and bring the debate around President Uhuru Kenyatta. William Ruto, we want to tell you, you cannot divert the attention of the people of Kenya from that debate. William Ruto, please leave President Uhuru Kenyatta alone. President Uhuru Kenyatta is retired and face your competitor Rigathi Gachagua.
Gachagua ni wevita emwamba na tongoi angi maulei kumuvetanga kivila ni President Ruto ndini wa unyuvani munene ukite.
Just accept the reality that the man to face you and remove you from power is one Rigathi Gachagua. And that is the man who issued an audit on your performance on Tuesday. It's not President Uhuru Kenyatta. Just focus on the real battle that lies ahead. And you must accept the reality that the man to face is Rigathi Gachagua.
Gachagua ingini waumbula kana serikali ni vangite kutumia mbulili kuvalanya umbano walinda mwananchi ulovaniwe kutwaiwa kauntini ya Bungoma kwe wachumwa.
I have credible intelligence that PS Raymond Omolo and Gladys Wanga have organized on Sunday goons to beat people and kill people in Homa Bay against leader mwananchi. I want to ask President William Ruto, can you instruct PS Raymond Omolo to stop organizing goons to attack leader mwananchi in Homa Bay? Can you instruct Gladys Wanga, the person you have promised to be your running mate, to stop organizing goons against leader mwananchi in Homa Bay? And I want to tell Governor Keheka and her husband, I want to tell David Gekaria, the people of Nakuru are peaceful people. We don't want you to organize goons today or any other day. We want you to look for votes peacefully. We want you to market William Ruto peacefully, and we want to allow you to let us have our way. I want to ask the MP for Molo, Mheshimiwa Kimani, that you have annoyed the people of Nakuru and Kenya enough by bringing Finance Bill of 2024. Please don't annoy them further by organizing goons in Molo and Elbagon and the Turi when we go there tomorrow.
Ndiri vote ya vilingo wa mauvonye nita wa Faith wa Mwaniki.